Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the font size of text messages on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are struggling to see text messages as the font is too small, or it is too large and annoying, you can change the size easily by following these steps. Firstly, open up the Messages app on your phone. Then open any conversation. To change the size of the text, pinch your fingers out to zoom in and make the text size bigger, or pinch your fingers in to zoom out and make the text size smaller. When you close the Messages app and open it again, the text size will stay the same size that you left it. The text size will be the same in all of your messages, so if you make the text size larger in one conversation, it will be larger for all of your conversations. If the largest text size from zooming in is not big enough for you, you can make it bigger by changing the text size of your phone in the settings. To do this, open up the Settings app and select Display. In the display settings, scroll down and tap on Font Size and Style. You can then slide the bar to the largest font size, go back to your Messages app and open the conversation again. When you zoom all the way in now, you have super large text. You can do the same thing to make your text very small. Go to the same text size settings, set it to the smallest size, and then come back to the Messages and zoom all the way out. Your text will now be tiny. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.